Welcome to our guide on converting your crypto earnings into cash on GoDaddy. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire process step by step. First, let's take a look at the cryptocurrencies that GoDaddy supports. This includes popular options like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. To get started, make sure your GoDaddy account is set up to handle crypto transactions. Let's go over the steps required. Next, you'll need to link your crypto wallet to your GoDaddy account. Here's how you can do that safely. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process of converting your crypto earnings into cash. Once you have converted your crypto, withdrawing cash to your bank account is next. Here are the steps to do it easily. It's important to understand the transaction fees and processing times associated with your cash conversion. Security should be your top priority. Here are some essential tips to keep your crypto transactions safe. Sometimes issues arise during cash conversion. Let's discuss some common problems and how to solve them. In conclusion, converting your crypto earnings into cash on GoDaddy can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Thank you for watching.